Welcome to PayFunnels. In this video, we'll show you how to create a payment plan link in just a few simple steps. First, log into your PayFunnels account and click New Payment Link. Next, enter a title and description for your payment link. Then, choose Single Product if you're creating a payment link for a single product. If you'd like to offer multiple products, select the Multiple Products option. For this tutorial, we'll choose Single Product. Now, select Payment Plan as the payment type and enter the payment amount. Let's enter $500. Next, choose the payment interval, such as monthly. Then, enter the total number of payments you'd like to collect from your customer. For this example, we'll enter 6, which means your customer will be charged $500 per month for 6 months. Once you've finished, click Save to create your payment link. That's it. Your payment plan link is now ready. You can copy and send the link directly to your customers via text message, WhatsApp, Instagram, or any other platform. You can also email the link using the Send Payment Link option. If you want to see the checkout page, click on the View Payment Link button. That's it in the video. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us at support@payfunnels.com. Thanks for watching the video.